What if I told you that some brokerages actually pay you to trade options while others charge hefty fees for the same service? Intriguing, right? Today, we're diving into how Public.com's fees stack up against other brokerages and whether it's truly the low-cost champion it claims to be. Let's break it down. Public.com's fee structure, a closer look. Public.com has built its reputation on transparency and simplicity. Unlike many brokers, Public doesn't charge commissions on U.S. stock and ETF trades. But here's where it gets interesting. Public also refuses to participate in payment for order flow, PFOF, for these trades. If you're unfamiliar, PFOF is a controversial practice where brokers send your trades to specific market makers in exchange for a small fee. While this allows some platforms to offer free trades, it can compromise the quality of your execution price. Public sidesteps this entirely, aiming to get you the best possible trade prices. For options trading, Public takes an unconventional approach. Not only are trades commission-free, but they also share up to 50% of their PFOF revenue with you. Depending on your trading volume, you could earn a rebate of up to 18 cents per contract traded. Yes, you heard that right. Public pays you. When it comes to cryptocurrency, Public charges a 1 to 2% markup on transactions. While this isn't the lowest in the industry, it's fairly standard among brokers offering crypto trading. For treasury investments, Public charges a flat 0.05% monthly fee on your balance, a small cost compared to other platforms offering similar services. How does Public compare to competitors? Now that we've unpacked Public's fees, let's see how they measure up against competitors like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. Robinhood is often seen as Public's closest competitor due to its user-friendly interface and commission-free trading model. However, Robinhood does rely on PFOF for revenue, which could impact your trade execution quality. Additionally, Robinhood doesn't offer rebates for options trading like Public does. When it comes to crypto trading fees, Robinhood has no explicit transaction fees, but includes markups within the spread, similar to Public. However, Robinhood lacks transparency about these spreads, which can make costs harder to estimate. Fidelity is a titan in the brokerage world and offers zero-commission trading for stocks and ETFs without relying on PFOF, a similarity it shares with Public. However, Fidelity charges 65 cents per options contract, making it less appealing for frequent options traders compared to Public's rebate model. Fidelity also provides access to mutual funds and retirement accounts like IRAs, features that are missing from Public's offerings. Charles Schwab offers commission-free stock and ETF trades, but charges 65 cents per options contract as well. Unlike Public, Schwab doesn't share any PFOF revenue with users. Schwab also provides a broader range of investment options, including futures and mutual funds. For cryptocurrency trading, Schwab doesn't currently support direct crypto investments, a stark contrast to Public's offerings. Webull is another commission-free platform that competes closely with Public in terms of design and accessibility. Like Robinhood, Webull uses PFOF for revenue, but doesn't offer rebates for options trading. Webull also charges spreads on crypto transactions, but doesn't disclose these costs transparently. E-Trade charges $0 commissions for stocks and ETFs, but imposes a 65 cents fee per options contract unless you're a high-volume trader, 30-plus trades per quarter, in which case the fee drops to 50 cents per contract. E-Trade also doesn't share PFOF revenue with users like Public does. Hidden costs, what you need to know. While Public shines in many areas, there are some fees worth noting. Account transfer fees. If you decide to transfer your investments out of Public, there's a $75 ACAT fee, on par with industry standards, but still worth considering. Inactivity fees. Accounts with balances below $70 and no activity for 6 months incur a $3.99 monthly fee. Premium features. Public Premium costs $10 per month or $96 annually and unlocks features like extended hours trading and advanced research tools. Instant withdrawals. These come with a 3.5% fee minimum $1, which can add up if you frequently withdraw funds quickly. Who wins the fee battle? If you're looking for commission-free stock and ETF trading without the hidden costs of PFOF, Public is an excellent choice. especially if trade execution quality is a priority for you. Its rebate system for options traders is also a standout feature that few competitors can match. However, if you need access to mutual funds, IRAs, or advanced research tools included at no extra cost, platforms like Fidelity or Charles Schwab might be better suited for your needs. For cryptocurrency enthusiasts who prioritize transparency in fees over cost minimization, platforms like Coinbase or Binance may offer more competitive rates than both public and its traditional brokerage peers. So there you have it, a deep dive into how public.com stacks up against other brokerages when it comes to fees. Whether it's the platform's refusal to accept PFOF or its unique rebate system for options traders, there's no denying that Public brings something fresh to the table. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.